Guys, I am back with another video, and in case you haven't guessed by the title, it is all about Boxy charm. And this is something new that I recently subscribed to. If you follow me at any point, you know, last year I reviewed like Ipsy and also Play by Sephora, where I have canceled those completely, and now we are with Boxy charm, which is a $21 monthly subscription. Now you can also subscribe as far as like 3 months and 6 months at a time, and I think even as far as 12 months, and you will get the box a little bit cheaper, maybe $19 and some change, but I'm just doing the monthly for the $21, where you get between 4 and 5 full-size products. And I must say, this is my second box, and I am very pleased. I did not record the one in December that I got. There is a bit of a wait list if you're not familiar with it. I signed up in October, maybe the first or second week, and I did not get my first box until December. So I was on the waiting list for just a little over a month. Now, with that being said, you are not charged until you're off the waiting list, and all of this is communicated to you via email. So once they let you know that you're off the waiting list, you will be charged. Whatever month that you are charged in, that is the month that you will receive your box. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the box for January 2018. So their theme is Rock 2018, and of course on the back there's also a list of the products and also their retail value. Okay, so the first product I have is Pure Bronze and Brighten, and this is Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. And just take a look at this. So you do get a mirror, and these are the palette colors. So here you have Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. And there you can see they are very pigmented, and they're also creamy. The next product I have is Pores No More. It is a luminizer primer by Dr. Brent, and it also says that it is for all skin types. So I will have to try that out and see, because typically I have oily skin, oily to combination, but in the winter time my skin can become a little bit more dry, so I think this may work out good for those drier months. So next I have the It Brow Powder, and this is in the color Universal Taupe. So on one end you have your, there you go, you can see that, the pencil, and on the other end we have the spoolie. So the next product up I have is Galactic Matte Lip Paint. And this is in the color Dumar. So it looks like this. And this is the color. So that's the color of the matte lip paint. And I noticed with this particular matte paint that it does suggest that you do not use a lip balm or any type of lip primer when applying it to receive the best results. So I'm love to see how that works, to see whether or not, you know, it's really drying, because I always apply some type of lip balm, usually my EOS or something on my lips, before applying any type of lip product. Alright, so the next product that we have is the Glam Metals by Pro Crown. This is an eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. These are very pretty colors, and you also get a mirror as well. I actually have the heavy metal on my lid. I don't know if you can, maybe you can see it, but I'm wearing that on my lid. The color was very pigmented, very easy to blend and everything. And it does mention on the back to intensify the colors, to wet your brush with some type of either water or setting spray, you know, to maximize the color. And that's what I did, and I must say it was really nice, great color payoff. All of these are, I would say, shimmery, with the exception of maybe 3, the Wicked here, Wild Thing, and then the Black Metal. Those are the 3 that doesn't appear to have any type of shimmer to me, and the rest have a slight shimmer, but they're all really pretty. Okay, so that is everything for BoxyCharm. I would highly suggest checking it out. I think it is well worth the money. As you can see, the total far exceeds the price of $21, and these are good, high quality, high end products as well. I mean, one product itself, for example, this palette itself retails for $25, so $21, this is already paid for itself, in addition to all the other products that you saw. So I am thoroughly pleased. Hope you guys check it out. Hope you like this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you know someone else who might be interested, then share the video with them as well. And if you haven't already, subscribe for weekly videos about product unboxing and also natural hair and also tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.